Hi everyone, this is Sean. So today we're going to talk about how to set up a remote virtual machine using the service of DigitalOcean or AWS servers. And the advantage of this is you don't have to do that in your local computer like what we have done in the previous videos. Like you set up a virtual machine using Vagrant or Baker, but it takes a lot of memory or resources of your local computer. But if you do that on a service like somewhat like DigitalOcean or AWS, it provides you that it is running like 24/7 or something like that, and you don't have to worry anything about it. They are just getting the things done for you. So today we're continuing about this. First, we have created a student account on the DigitalOcean. DigitalOcean, it also provides you a bunch of RESTful API to create some kind of droplets, which is actually the name of the virtual machines. Along this, you can see this is create a new droplet. Action, in which you send a post request to this URL and provide this for required parameters, and it responds with this droplet that you created, um, in which you can see some informations. So let's write some scripts. So this is a script we have written. We use a Node.js HTTP client, which is called Needle, and we store our token in this token file. And the host URL is api.digitalocean.com. We provide and specify the headers with our token, the content type, and the function is quite simple. We just normalize our data based on the given parameters and return our promise, which is what Needles returns. Um, so let's try it. Um, we call this function with this name of the droplet we want to give it, and specify its region. And after that happens, when we get the response, we just console log. Okay, so let's just try run this command, which is the npm script. Okay, we're done, and we have this. After running the script, we have got this return droplet, and in which you can see the ID of the droplet and some other information like name and memories and size and networks. If you want to see the IP address of this IP address of this droplet, you can use the get droplet function here and print copy paste in this ID of the droplet. Okay, let's comment out this create droplet function and try to get the information of this. Okay, so in the stringified information we can see here is the v4 IP address is 159.65.43.192 and some other informations. Okay, this is basically what you should do for the DigitalOcean part. Okay, and also you want to mention that if you open the DigitalOcean, the dashboard of DigitalOcean and the droplets, see the droplets panel here. If you refresh the page, as you could expect it, we have um, this is a test I have done a few minutes ago, and this one is what we have created just now, which is 1 minute ago, and it's quite neat, right? So that's it. Okay, so let's start, continue with the AWS virtual machine, remote virtual machine. So the core principle is just the same as what we have done in the DigitalOcean part. Um, so you may have registered some account, and here we are taking advantage of AWS SDK, which is provided by the developers at Amazon. It just provides some utilities to like create some RESTful APIs through the server. And here we load our configuration files from this. It has some access keys and secret keys, which are provides to you, and which are provided to you when you register the account. And we use the AWS EC2 services to do this, and it provides us of run instance functions, which can create create a instance of what you're gonna create for the virtual machines. Like, okay, so this is a callback after the function, after the response body it receives. If basically we just console log the first instance, the IP address of the first instance. If there's not anything errors. Okay, let's try that. Also, we want to npm run AWS. Yeah, as you can see here, this is the IP address that is returned back from the server. And if you check the dashboard, um, yeah, you can see this is the running server, the virtual machine that you just created, which is quite clear and straightforward. So that's basically the content of this video. Hopefully it's gonna help you to get some sense of using the AWS server or the DigitalOcean ones. Thank you for watching.